So this is how you can log into your Facebook without needing the two-factor authentication code. So let's say you lost your phone or lost whatever code that you need in order to enter Facebook. Well, it may be complex and hard, but you will be able to get it back. The first thing to do is open up Facebook with a new account. Now you can try signing in with your old account on a Facebook browser, but that would take forever and they're going to ask for ID as a verification. If you're down to do that, then do so, but this is easier. Once you're here, you're going to want to tap on report a problem and now tap on continue to report. So you can tap on include or don't include. I'm just going to tap on don't include because it's not really relevant. And now you're going to want to look for login. The next step is very important. Make sure you're very detailed about what happened and say that your account can no longer be accessed because you lost your two-factor authentication. Now you can go on ahead and say your other account has lost the two-factor authentication and say that you just really want it back. They might ask you for some verification and they might reach out within days, but this way, at least you're trying to get the two-factor authentication rather than not doing anything about it because it is pretty hard to open your account without having the 2FA code. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you're done with your reasons, tap on send at the top right and you'll be good to go. You could even take screenshots to prove it even more. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.